And folks, we are out. Yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead, pull that report up, view the trade history. 26.8% on that trade to finish off trading for charity. Seeing is believing. That just shows the power of the VectorVest software. That just shows the power of staying systematic and seeing how cutting your losers quickly to allow your winners to really thrive can really help you stay on the right track. Round 2 of trading for charity shopping starts now. So we're getting ready to go into
Target.
Exactly.
It's a great stock, by the way. Great long-term steady stock, great place, just like we did for GameStop. So we know Patrick does a lot of videos on GameStop.
Now it's time to go do some Toys for Tots shopping.
There we go. So
let's get into it.
Here's our first drop-off point for Toys for Tots. As you all know, I'm a Marine, so this was near and dear to my heart, as you can see. And man, we filled up this box. This is a full box of stuff. And then we're gonna do it again by going to Levine's tomorrow and do the same thing.
Yep.
So this is where all your money went to. Thank you so much. And guess what? Next year we're gonna do it again. Patrick's gonna start that off, and we're gonna try to raise more money than we did this year.
Christmas Day.
Hey VVNATION, we are here at Levine Children's Hospital with the rest of the donations. As you can see, all of it, the consoles, the kids stuff, everything, all because of you guys. Thank you very much for all your support and all your help. We're gonna make it happen this year. Looking forward to next year.
Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? How you doing?
We've got some consoles. We got an Xbox, a PlayStation, 2 Nintendo Switches, some games for them, children's stuff, baby stuff.
Yeah, you do. You got a little bit of everything. This is amazing. Tell me who you're with again.
I work for a company called VectorVest.
Okay, and that's what you guys did?
Yep, yes. I've been working on over the last month or so a stream where we teach people how to invest.
Okay,
and I've been
cool.
doing some live trading and helping raise money for both Levine Children's Hospital and Toys for Tots.
Oh, that's awesome.
And so we did all the shopping, and then
fun.
Delivering it now.
Thank you. You're going to make a lot of kids very, very happy.
Hopefully
Thank
so.
you.
Christmas Day.
Our big thanks to everybody, and we're just so grateful. But please share that with everyone. Okay?
Well, we're glad we could help, and
Awesome.
yeah, we're looking forward to trying to outdo ourselves next year as well. So.
I love it. I love it. That's so cool. Thank you all.
It was a pleasure
I hope
very
y'all
much.
have a Merry Christmas.
You have a
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas as well.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Take care.